Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of perfectly designed homes, focusing on how layout and lighting can transform a space into something truly special. Whether you're building your dream home or redesigning your living space, we'll show you some stunning examples of modern, beautiful designs that optimize both functionality and aesthetics. Let's take a closer look. When it comes to designing a home, the exterior is your first opportunity to make a statement. Today, many designers prefer clean lines, large windows, and minimalist approaches. This modern home, for example, uses floor-to-ceiling windows to blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a seamless transition. The layout of the home plays a crucial role in defining the overall look and feel. Homes with open layouts allow for better flow, maximizing space and encouraging more natural light to enter the interiors. In this next design, the home's exterior is as beautiful as its layout. The open floor plan integrates the living room, dining area, and kitchen, making the space feel expansive and inviting. Now let's talk about interiors. A well-designed layout ensures that each room feels connected, yet distinct. This particular home uses a combination of natural and artificial lighting to highlight specific areas, making the space feel warm and welcoming. Lighting plays an important role in home design. It can completely change the mood of a space. As you can see in this living area, natural lighting pours in from the large windows, while soft ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere in the evening. Smart lighting systems, like the one used in this modern loft, adjust the brightness and warmth depending on the time of day, enhancing both energy efficiency and comfort. Another key factor in home design is blending different styles and elements to create harmony. In this home, the designer has combined mid-century modern furniture with contemporary architectural elements. The result is a space that feels timeless yet modern. The placement of lighting in this home is strategic, with task lighting in work areas, such as the kitchen, and soft mood lighting in the living room and bedroom. This creates distinct zones within the open layout, giving each area its own unique vibe while maintaining a sense of unity. Don't forget about the exterior lighting. Well-placed outdoor lighting can highlight architectural features and create a welcoming ambience. This modern home, for example, uses warm outdoor lighting to enhance the clean lines and modern aesthetic of its facade. Lighting pathways, terraces, and gardens is not only functional but can also significantly boost curb appeal. In conclusion, the layout and lighting of a home are essential components of any well-designed space. Whether you're looking for a minimalist modern look or a cozy rustic feel, there are endless possibilities to explore. We hope you found inspiration in these designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know which design was your favorite.